And welcome back. So, the 5th August 2026 episode of Ye Fitoor Tera begins in Pragyaraj, where Soumya starts her morning by feeding a cow and seeking its blessing. She's excited and nervous because it is her first day at college after studying in girls' school all her life. Before leaving, Soumya visits a tailor for alterations. While taking her measurements, the tailor accidentally makes her uncomfortable and an angry mob gathers to attack him. Soumya bravely stops them and insists that the man is innocent. Her father, Anup Mathur, arrives and firmly supports his daughter. He makes it clear that Soumya is pure and completely normal despite the rumors surrounding her. Later, Anup learns that he had left Soumya alone for some time and gets worried about her safety. A blind man advises him that Soumya may struggle with challenges of college. Anup then tells his daughter that he wants her to become confident and independent. With her father's support, Soumya finally gets permission to attend college. At college, Soumya arrives with her friend Paki but remains extremely nervous around boys. Paki tries to reassure her, explaining that boys are ordinary people too. She even tells Soumya that she is the principal's daughter and warns that anyone who troubles her will face consequences. Still, Soumya's fear does not disappear. Meanwhile, students are caught cheating during an examination. Jeet is helping them by writing answers on his body. Soumya catches him and confronts him. Jeet then behaves arrogantly and orders her to bring him parathas. When Soumya introduces herself as Soumya Saxena instead of Mathur, Jeet is shocked. The principal school learns that Jeet has been helping students cheat. When someone tries to photograph the evidence written on his body, Jeet cleverly destroys the proof. Later, he humiliates Soumya, but she warns him that she will soon beat him in the college ranking. Jeet takes this as a challenge and vows to defeat her. He even visits her late grandmother's ashes and promises to cross every limit. Soon, Soumya sees Jeet riding towards her on his bike. Terrified, she runs home, but Jeet follows her and stops outside her house. Anup notices Soumya's fear and asks what happened. Completely shaken, Soumya breaks down while Jeet watches her helplessly from a distance. Thank you for watching. Bye.